Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is a cake with some veggies. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to cut one red bell pepper into small pieces. Then let's cut some parsley. I use only 2 tomatoes which I peel the skin off, and then cut them into small pieces. 100 grams of feta cheese I cut into little squares. Then I grate 2 raw potatoes. 80 grams of cheese which I always grate too. In another bowl, crack 4 eggs and 1 tablespoon of salt and mix it very well. Then add the ingredients: the red bell pepper, the potatoes, tomatoes, parsley, and the cheese. Then add half of a glass of oil and half of a glass of milk and mix it very well. In a bowl, with 500 grams of flour, add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Now mix the 2 mixtures. And now you can add your mixture into your baking pan. You can spread it around with your spoon. Then add some cheese on top. Now send it into the oven in 170 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes. When it's all done, let it cool down and you can cut it and serve it. This is the result. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.